Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the ChatGPT for your Excel problems. But first, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence that you can send any instructions and it will provide you a detailed response. Okay, I have here some examples. Let's say we need to get the total payments here. Then let's go to ChatGPT. This is the ChatGPT. All we need to do is to send any command or instructions. Let's say our problem is to get the sum formula to get the sum of cells E6 to E9 in MS Excel, and then press enter. As you can see, it will automatically provide you a detailed response, and then also the formula that we need here. Just copy it, and then let's go back to the Excel and then paste the formula, and that's it. Problem solved.